18 is right and 32 is right. But the mistake I used to make early on is I'd bring that all the way out here, and this, a lot of times this wouldn't cover. So we're gonna stay back an inch and then cut across this way so we don't have that point stick to that top. One thing I might point out is this kind of thing right here where you silicone the drain doesn't work. See here? They just kept on and it just didn't work. So we gotta replace all that. And lots of fun that is. And here we go in there to mark and check again, because I always measure twice before I cut that, sometimes 3 times before I cut the cabinet back.